In today's world where you see Gen Z with the help of all AI techie skills are touching heights, people like Ishan Sharma, Azal Khan, Shreya Patter, Sarang Shanand, and Shruti Rajput are making six-figure revenue per month, and midst of them, are you really coping up? In today's video, you will learn 5 main points by which you can cope up easily at much faster pace than ever. The 5th one is highly recommended to watch. Step 1. Niche. Figure out your niche. Select particular topic of your likes and be revolving around it in more natural way. Don't make it hypothetical, for example niche like making money, learning graphic design, infotainment, and many more. Create content on it with diverging point but always connect it to your main niche. As seen in most of the case of Ishan Sharma's YouTube channel. Step 2. Supplements. Learn supplements for it. Use your Chrome browser and search for AI tool, Software Garage, which can make your work more effective and it will be less time consuming. Learn to operate different type of website, app, and AI tool for empowering your learning skill. Step 3. Teach. Teach to someone or teach on something, learning by doing and evaluating your work. Whatever you have learned, teach it to someone or provide summary chart on YT, Insta, FB. By this you are coming up with 2 things. Number 1, social recognition. By uploading video, reel, or posting any form of content on regular basis will give you stand in social society. Number 2, becoming excellent at your work. Regularly uploading will make you confident and allow you to learn from your mistake. Step 4. Pro level. Now as you reach to pro level on it, now is the time of generating revenue out of it. Start monetizing your social account or making money out of your skill. If you have skills and you first sharpen it and secondly earn from it. Check out Market It Up agency run by Ishan Sharma, Shruti Rajput channel of Canva with Shruti. How they are making money out of their skill. What sort of website or app they are using. Step 5. Consistency. Maintain consistency. It can be divided into 2 parts. Either continue all the above cycle at regular period of time, that is niche, supplement, teach, pro level consistency, or secondly go with multiple niches and follow the rest 4 steps for it. I am sure applying all these steps one by one will definitely bring you at that summit from where you can easily cope and stand among all these renowned Gen Z. If you have watched till the end, do hit the subscribe button and share it with your friend. If you want a detailed video on how to choose niche and specific sub-niche, comment in the comment section niche/sub-niche. Soon I will meet up with you there.